I have a confession to make. I am secretly obsessed with a certain YouTube channel that shows nothing but beautiful models walking around Paris all day, talking about their fashion and their life and sipping coffee. And I just can't get enough of it. Okay, I'll admit it. The name of the channel is Parisian Vibe, and I will link to the video below. But we're starting with the striped tee or sweater and wide leg jeans. So I have a striped sweater hanging on the rack behind me. But the striped tee and sweater is rooted in France's maritime heritage. It was the traditional outfit that French sailors wore in years gone by. And I've paired them with Mary Janes, which you'll see throughout this video. These are actually Mary Jane ballet flats. They're very comfortable, especially when you're walking around the cobblestone streets of Paris. The third item that will add a French flair to your wardrobe is a soft cardigan, preferably in a neutral shade. This is my favorite. It's cashmere and it was a bit pricey, but it has been well worth the investment. Look at how nicely it pairs with the striped t-shirt here, and you'll see it paired differently here soon. The next item is a black blazer, and you may say that a black blazer is universal to all wardrobes for women, but it's the way that the French wear it that gives it that effortlessly chic look. So this one is oversized. It's not tailored or fitted, and it's not too much oversized, but just slightly. Look how nicely it pairs with the striped tee and the wide leg jeans for an elevated casual look. No French wardrobe is complete with that quintessential French wardrobe piece, the trench coat. And I've shown you this one before, but it's my favorite because I'm barely 5'1" and this is very petite friendly. It has an A-line feature to it, so it adds a feminine touch to an otherwise masculine piece. And here this is my third layer to create warmth, which is really good for the months as we transition into spring. This next piece was on Parisian Vibe's list, and it actually kind of surprised me because it was not a piece that I had associated with French fashion anywhere in my mind. But after analyzing, I think it is very decidedly French. Again, not the item itself, but the way they wear it. And I'm not showing the blouse by itself because I've done an entire video on how to style a blue button-up. But I really love how the baby blue pairs with the light beige of the cardigan here. Here I've taken the outfit a step further and layered over top the black blazer. And while layers are essential for warmth in winter and certainly early spring, they also add some depth, dimension, and interest to the outfit. Look how much more interesting this outfit is with the blazer over top. I really love this look. The final two items are a satin slip dress and, of course, Mary Jane's, which we talked about earlier. Now, to be clear, I am way past the stage in life to wear the slip dress by itself. It is definitely a layering piece for me. It looks lovely with the beige cardigan, also with the oversized black blazer. And while I would normally think to pair heels with this outfit, I love that Parisian vibe that the Mary Jane's with the black slip dress gives off here. Certainly an elevated night out look, dinner, and it is very elegant. For a more casual look to the slip dress, I've layered over top the quintessential striped sweater for French wardrobes and paired with it the basket tote or market tote to give it that casual feel. You could also wear a fashion sneaker with this outfit. I'm just of the mindset that sneakers are generally for the gym. And finally, I have layered over top the trench coat, the wardrobe staple for France. Au revoir, my friends.